I'll tell you something. I've been a law of attraction believer for the last 4 years. I haven't able to manifest anything. Sometimes I wonder if I even believe in it or not. I almost decided not to believe in it anymore. But that is the day my friend ended up getting like 200% hike in her salary. I am absolutely confused. I have no clue what am I doing wrong. Hello and welcome. Don't check the volume on your device. It's perfectly alright. I was just trying to do some drama. I'm Manish Ahuuja and this is Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel, online community, Facebook group, which helps you with your money mindset, strengthen your money mindset, get rid of your money blocks, help you make sense with the whole concept of law of attraction, and help you invest your money to earn your financial freedom. Basically everything that schools and colleges should have actually taught you about money, but they didn't. How awesome is that? In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about what exactly is it that people are probably doing wrong with law of attraction, which is not helping them manifest any money or wealth. Anyway, is law of attraction a sure shot guarantee of attracting wealth and expanding wealth, making money? I've made a lot of videos on that, so just in case if you're new over here, you're most welcome. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. I make 10 new videos for you every month. Check the old videos, get more perspective. If you have any questions, please just ask them in the comments below and I'll answer them all for you. Let's get to the topic of today. Why is it that many people who are who believe in law of attraction but they don't manage to manifest any wealth, get into better shape, or what are they doing wrong? As much as I have understood, the most important reason why people don't end up getting results out of law of attraction is because they do it half-heartedly. See, law of attraction is very simple when you actually try to get into it in depth, and at the same time it's very basic, but it works on the concept of faith, dedication, having the belief that it works, and literally working on it, because things take time to manifest, and if you do it half-heartedly, if you do it with lack of faith, it's not going to work. People also do whatever is convenient for them. I don't want to journal because it's so boring. Visualization is not my cup of tea. You know what? Affirmations, they just don't work. It's very stupid. If that's your attitude, what is going to work? It's simple. It's like people are giving you the rule book. Please just do step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. And you just say, you know what? Step 3 is not my vibe and I'm not going to do it. Step 3 is not going to work, and so are the rest of the things that are not going to work for you. I'll also tell you something. The problem is with the fact that there are not enough good quality law of attraction coaches. I am a coach myself. I'm never going to look down upon somebody else who's in the same industry. That's not the kind of a person I am. But I'll tell you what. There needs to be a way to show people what can be done and why should it be done. And if your coach is not being able to do that for you, there's definitely a disconnect. So yeah, that it's perfectly possible. There is a possibility that there could be a participant who is getting coached by me, but they don't connect with me on a completely sorted level, and then they don't talk about it, and as a result of which it's a mismatch. Mismatch is fine, but if most of your participants are not getting results, then yes, you probably need to do something about it. So if you don't know how to make sense of the entire concept, if you don't know what works for you, what does not work for you, why should you do something, why should you avoid something, and if your coach is not helping you, even that only adds to the problem, is what I'm trying to tell you over here. Also, one more thing, just joining a few groups, watching a documentary on Netflix, reading a book, watching some 3 random videos on social media and claiming to be a believer of law of attraction, sorry, that does not work. Stop wasting your time, stop wasting your belief pattern system, stop telling the world that you are a believer of law of attraction, because you know what? You can know swimming, but you can't claim to be an Olympic swimmer. Law of attraction is like that. You can just say that you understand the concept. Stop saying that you're a hardcore believer, and you know what? It does not work that way. Either do it completely, have full faith in it. Is it easy? No, it'll test your patience, and it'll test your patience over and over again until it realizes that you are ready to actually take care of what you have always desired for. And it's a fact. I can't think of a single person who believes in law of attraction who has not had those testing times. So it's a part of the process. So it's a journey, it's a path. I've been telling you this in my previous videos. Just don't say that you're a believer by just downloading a few books, watching a few movies, and just understanding the bird's eye view of the entire concept. There's a lot more to that. Also, the fact that people do it as an experiment. I will try an experiment to manifest this. If this works, that's when I'll tell the world that I'm a believer. Otherwise, you know what, it's anyway not my thing. Does not work. Stop wasting your time. A very simple concept that most people who, there are people who actually believe in it. There are people who actually do quite a lot of things, but then this one thing, because they don't do this one thing correctly, they are actually trying to build a house of cards, and just by adding this one ingredient, that entire house can be a house of concrete. That's the importance and that's the impact of this one exercise, which is gratitude. If you don't have gratitude for what you have, if you don't have gratitude for what you manifest, however small it is, if you don't have gratitude for the simplest of the things, you are not going to be able to handle the big things. You are not going to be able to respect the bigger wins. So gratitude is extremely important, and I've seen people who could have done a lot of magic, but somewhere down the line, because of lack of gratitude, things just don't seem to fall in place for them. And I really hope that this message of gratitude, not necessarily through this video, it just reaches them, because that's when the entire game changes for people. It has changed a lot for me, and I'm going to be talking about it in my future videos. So this is probably a bird's eye view, or some of the reasons why I feel, some of the biggest reasons why I feel people fail to manifest things despite being semi or very strong believers of law of attraction. Let me know what has your experience been. If you have managed to start manifesting more by changing any of these mistakes, have you made any of these mistakes in the past? What do you feel are the reasons why other people don't manage to manifest? Just let's talk in the comment section. You can also head on to my Facebook group. You'll find the link in the description below. And let's actually have conversations about this topic, because I want maximum number of people to get exposed to the whole concept of law of attraction, because it's magical, it's beautiful. That's about it from me in today's video. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching.